Clean coal technology is a general term for the new technology of processing, combustion, transformation, and pollution control, which aims to reduce pollution emission and improve utilization and efficiency in the whole process of coal development and utilization. Clean pulverized coal ball pressing machine is the main pressing equipment of briquette. With the development of economic and environmental protection, clean pulverized coal technology, with energy saving and consumption reduction, low investment and high benefit, will be vigorously promoted. Now, this has laid a good foundation and development direction for the popularization of clean pulverized coal technology. The forming pressure of clean pulverized coal ball pressing machine is the main factor affecting the hardness of the ball. It is a kind of rotary press roller with the hemisphere groove. The loose powder is pressed into the ball, mainly used to press various powder, such as pulverized coal, iron powder, coking coal, iron chips, oxide sheet powder, through the clean pulverized coal ball pressing machine, processing and forming, energy saving, convenient transportation,